person who took it apart and the person who checked to make sure they were all looked good.
Since first opening its doors in October 2018, this STEM Learning and Discovery Lab that encompasses more than 1,000 square feet has welcomed more than 2,000 5th grade through 12th grade students.
What we're going to do, so this is your brake and this is your accelerator. Sharply to the left. Hold your steering wheel tight. Okay, you're ready to drive.
A small version of what people are doing out here.
It absolutely is.
The equipment, challenges, and catwalk tour of the facility helps to spark interest in young minds.
So they're able to see that connection between what they like, which is computers,
and exposes them to modern manufacturing.
and they can actually see the output. It really kind of connects those dots.
Scott Brand with SIA shows me some of the robots and equipment students get to try in the lab.
I'll tell you what, you see the confidence in the eyes of a kid that comes in, thinks, well, there's no way I could ever operate something like that. If they say, wait a second, this isn't nearly as difficult as I thought it might be, and it's a lot of fun.
And he tells me that students get to see that factories and manufacturing of today is different than what many perceive. It's clean, safe, full of technology. This lab serves as a pipeline.
I think every